much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Boxycharm Premium versus Boxycharm Premium unboxing for November 2020. I will leave my Boxycharm playlist link to watch previous unboxings. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 to 8 full-size items. Each box retails for over $150. I have two separate profiles. One of my profiles is my main profile. It has my accurate age and it's more on the makeup side, whereas my second profile is double my age and it's more skincare heavy. Let's see what box 1 has in store for us. Looks pretty empty if you ask me. This is variation 5. Not gonna lie, after taking everything out, I'm kind of looking at everything going, this is premium. Doesn't look or feel premium, but we'll see. That's just my first impressions looking at everything. My choice item for this box is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette, and it retails for $50. Right then and there, this palette pays for the box and then some. Illamasqua is a brand I really want to like because I feel like it's bougie, but it's like over the top and not everything works out for me. And this is what the inside looks like. Don't get me wrong, I'm instantly drawn to the shimmers, but these three shades right here look pretty much identical. Viva City, bold, distinct. Apologize in advance if I butcher any names. Okay, these shimmers, she's cute, they're creamy. Those I like. The mattes, worst case scenario, I end up depotting the shimmers and chucking out the mattes. I know I'm jumping way ahead of myself, but these mattes don't excite me at all. I'm sorry. Chutzpah, zealous, fearless. Alright, so far so good with these shimmers. They're super creamy and I see them being popping on the lid. I hope that's true because these are just swatches with my finger on my bare arm, not being applied to a prime lid with a brush. Empower, Honor, Muse. I guess these mattes could add a little bit of dimension before we add on some beaming shimmers. Poise, Assured, Spirit. Definitely not that crazy about these last three shades, but this over, I could see myself reaching towards. And this is the entire palette swatched. I think with some of like these more berry shades, I'll have to dip into some other palettes just because I don't know how well that these browns will complement it. So perhaps I need to just stop giving it as much grief that I am and just try it on my eyes and see and then draw my conclusion. I do and I don't like to receive palettes in Boxycharm. I do when it's a good color story, and October's color story did not wow me either, and a lot of those shades are kind of chalky. And in this one, it's just kind of like a bland color story. But then again, we all have different types of what we like and don't like. I think maybe back in the day, this would be like, oh yeah, this is awesome. I think there's like a lot of different factors, and then there's also one item in my premium box that is leaving a bad taste in my mouth right now, which I'll go over next. Dun 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 dun! And it would be the Dose of Colors single eyeshadow, and it retails for $20. So if this palette was enough, here, have a single eyeshadow. There's two gripes to this. One, I already have an eyeshadow palette. There's no need for a single. 2, this is not a full-size item. Boxycharm Premium likes to claim full-size items. I don't know how many rants I have been on about filler products. This is like getting a Jante Blue $3 lip liner in your Boxycharm base box. I said what I said. I honestly hate that for Dose of Colors. It's not Dose's fault. That it's probably a really pretty shade. I don't know, it's still in the box, but it's just annoying. You know, like $20, there's so many other products. Like, hell, put an eyeliner, put a brow pencil, put all the other products that we see like in every single box, which, yeah, I do get annoyed with seeing an eyeliner in every single box, but I don't think I would be that against it than getting a single eyeshadow, because Dose has so many different palettes out there. Add 4 more shades, you got a Dose palette. So it's kind of like, really, I don't know. I'm just kind of like disgusted that this is the premium box and you're giving me this. Like, this just doesn't feel premium to me. My expectations with premium is kind of high, not gonna lie, because you are paying $10 more than the base box, and my base boxes absolutely killed it. Those should have been my premium boxes in this crap. I'm sorry. I'm getting heated. I don't know. Premium and Luxe just have not been doing it for me lately. I don't know why I still get 2 variations. Mainly, I just want to see like what the 2 profiles give me. Let me just open this. Maybe I'm just going in way too hard over nothing, but I mean, it is pretty, but If you're gonna give me a single eyeshadow, give me like single indie brands that I haven't tried yet. Don't give me like this. Like, what am I gonna pair this? I do love my grungy looks, don't get me wrong. It's just gonna take up space. Like, this packaging is just super bulky for one eyeshadow. I mean, I guess I could depot that. I feel like this is a shade that will be comparable to that new Lunar Beauty release that is coming out soon. I just need to put that to the side and not let it ruin the unboxing. Just move on. We're moving on right now before I have a full-blown meltdown. Next, by Cosmetics, this is the skincare brush set that retails for $25. So I don't have any brushes in my collection specifically for skincare. I have taken like foundation brushes from Luxie, ones like this that I apply like my clay or mud masks with. Take cleansing to the next level with these embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Used to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks with the ultimate precision and no mess. Okay, that is something I actually might like. One of my favorite influencers that I follow, Garrett Hahn, he always has a latex glove when he takes his beauty sponge and applies foundation. And I always thought that was interesting. I was like, why? And then I realized that I get foundation all over on the ends of my sponges. And it's annoying because I'm always having to grab makeup wipes and cleaning that off. Same thing goes with skincare. Like, I feel like I'm constantly, not only because of COVID, but after like just touching something, I want to wash my hands. Griffin teases me that I'm slightly germophobic. Usually when I am cleansing my face, I'm like thoroughly rinsing off my hands after I cleanse, tone, use all the steps of my routine. So I am curious about this. I see the spatula working like really well for masks as opposed to the bristles because that brush does like to absorb a lot of product. So I do feel kind of wasteful with it. I just don't like getting it on my hands. That's why I use it. It's interesting. Ooh, it's really soft and dense. I like this. But to cleanse my face, I feel like I would be making things worse, clogging up my pores, than unclogging them. In a way, I am intrigued about it. At first, I was looking at it going, really? But now, the curiosity is kind of there. Next, by Grown Alchemist, this is the Detox Night Cream, and it retails for $125. If the single eyeshadow wasn't gonna set me over the edge, this product might. And I know exactly why they did this. So, Boxycharm is so infamous for throwing in $100 plus items into their boxes to make the value seem like it's there. Well, don't be fooled because half those products are just kind of like eh. Like QMS eye cream, I hate that. That bougie $95 Boyer, whatever toner, it was just kind of like eh. And this, I'm already looking at it going, eh. I don't know. It just feels like a cheap toothpaste component. I feel like because they put in an item that isn't full size, they're trying to make up for it by putting like some 100 plus item in it just to make the value seem like, ooh, yeah, you got a non-full size item, but looky here. We have a $100 item plus everything else that you got, right? Wrong. I don't know which one makes me more upset. I think it's gonna be the dose. Nothing against dose, don't get me wrong. Nothing against dose. Let me just make that clear. It's not a full-size item. Boxycharm Premium, it's supposed to be full-size items. Unless if they changed the disclaim or something, which I know IPSY, when they launched Ultimate, they got a lot of heat because of like these little items that we got in Ultimate. People were like, how is that full size? How? So not only do we get a non-full size item, but we get like this 100 plus whatever item. Unless if it's Elemis, Tatcha, it's really hard to justify paying that much money because I know those products work. I don't even know who Grown Alchemist is. All I can think of is Full Metal Alchemist. I'm just gonna set that aside with the dose. I feel like I'm raging and spiraling and I am so sorry. But these are just like gripes I've had with Boxycharm for a while now. And just to get a double whammy in this box, I'm just in a meltdown mode right now. Next, by Real Her, we have a lip liner duo, and this retails for $25. Okay, I can be down with a lip liner duo, and this is what the two shades look like. On top we have Be Yourself, Be Real Her, and then this bottom shade we have I Am Confident. Ooh, and they're retractable. I like that. And super creamy. This is Be Yourself, Be Real Her. And that's the shade I Am Confident. My favorite products in this box are lip liners, and it's a product that I don't always consistently use in my routine. I really like the shades that we got. We got like a really nice brown mauve shade, and then we have a beautiful red. Two shades that I really am drawn towards completing my look. So even though lip liners is something I easily skip over, I see myself wanting to reach for these because not only are they creamy, but they're shades that I really like to pair with a lot of my looks. And then lastly, by IPSY Beauty, this is the Color Block High Impact Lipstick that retails for $29. And then I got the shade Rosette. Would have been nice to get a shade that complemented the lip liners. But aside from that, this is Rosette Swatch. It is beautiful and creamy. Overall for this variation, I'm not that excited. The most excited that I'm for are for the last two products that I did, which were the lip liners and the lipstick. It would have been nice if the lipstick shade did match the lip liners. Also, now I'm looking more into it right now. It's just kind of redundant. Like, we got lip liners and lipstick. We got eyeshadow palette and a single shadow. Would have been nice to either get some more skincare or eyeliner, mascara, something that doesn't feel redundant. Between that, a single shadow, and then a $100 plus item just really set me over the edge. I'm not really excited for anything. Maybe the skincare brushes. It definitely is like the most intriguing product that I got. Maybe this spatula looking product will get the most use to applying creams, masks, whatever it may be. And this is what the inside of my second box looks like, and this is variation 2. My choice item for this variation is by Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder that retails for $39. Honestly, I feel like when was the last time I've used a Smashbox product before? This was always one that I wanted to try. The component has always intrigued me because don't you like twist it up? Yeah, you twist for fresh product, and I always thought I was gonna make a huge mess with all this. I am curious to see how this is gonna work out. I chose shade 1. Hopefully it's not too light for me. I really like more banana or true to my skin tone powder, so that is just like one concern for me. But it's been a while, Smashbox. Good to see ya. Definitely more excited for that choice item than the palette. But look what we have here. Another dose. Did we get the same colors? Well, they're two different colors. The first one I got was Night Sky, and this one's Jackpot. Oh, all over me. That's what I get for shitting on Boxycharm right now. All over my carpet, all over my hoodie. I feel like those are shades from the Huima What palette. Can't even think of it right now because I got eyeshadow everywhere right now. We're just not having a good time in this video today, I swear. Overall, it's just been a rough week. Not just this unboxing, just everything else that is going on right now. Well, a product that is different in this variation, this is by Pure Cosmetics. This is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder Face Palette that retails for $32. So instead of the lipstick, we got this Pure palette, which I have another rant about Pure. We see them a lot, like a lot in Boxycharm, and I think that's why I just don't get like that excited about Pure products, is because Boxycharm just loves filling in boxes with. I can't tell you how many Pure palettes I got this year from Boxycharm, but I gotta say, 1 year in Boxycharm we got a really nice Pure face palette, so I'm hoping that this is just like the new and improved one. And the shade that I got was medium tan. So this is translucent powder, which is on the more banana side, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. That's what it looks like on the fingers. Maybe we'll just do like an easy one swipe. And this is what the face palette looks like swatched. I think like the light face palette variation has more of a pink blush. Coral is something I'm trying to get used to. And I think cream blush is really helping me with that. And hopefully that this bronzer isn't gonna be too dark. It's definitely gonna be more of a summer bronze than a winter bronze. I think that the highlighter is really pretty. The swatch did not do its justice. I don't really use many pressed translucent setting powder. That's mainly what this guy is supposed to be for. If I am using a setting powder for my face that is pressed, it's usually going to be a foundation shade. I think out of everything in both variations, this is what I am most excited for. And then I got the same cosmetic brushes again, the same Grown Alchemist cream, and then I got the same lip liner duo as well, plus the non-broken dose. And then whenever I get a replacement of the other dose, all these items will be in a future giveaway. Overall, Boxycharm Premium is just more of a bust for me. I think the most exciting products are these two right here, this Pure palette, the Smashbox loose powder, and then the Real Her lip liners, even this lipstick by IPSY as well. Everything else is just kind of right now. More or less just mad I have eyeshadow literally all over my carpet and myself right now. That's why I'm just trying to wrap it up a little bit sooner rather than later so I can get this mess cleaned up. I I would love to know, do you guys get Boxycharm base or premium? Let me know in the comments below which variations you got, what products did you get in yours? Did you get any of the same products as I did, or did you get completely different products? And are you guys looking forward to December's box? The premium choices were both Viseart palettes. I'm getting one color story in one and the other color story in the other. I'm hoping to see more of a variation between profiles like I do in my base boxes. And December is a Luxe month, and gotta say, not that excited for Luxe between my choice items. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.